so today we've got to fill up Hudson's tractor full of dirt with that shovel because we got some holes we need to fill because when we're driving around it's too rough. So you ready to fill it up?
Uh-huh.
Give it a shot. Let's see if you can do it. Whoa! There you go. You're doing pretty good. Can I help you? Here, you ready? We'll get a big scoop. Ready? Right here. You gotta help me push. Oh, I need help. Oh, whoa, look at that scoop right there. You ready? Dump it. Oh.
It'll take us some time.
It's gonna take us some time. Hudson's right. You know what we could do?
What?
We have a lot of tractors. You think we should go get a tractor with a big old bucket? We can get a big scoop of dirt.
The John Deere?
The John Deere, I know. We're gonna go get a John Deere tractor with a big bucket. You ready? Give me a high five. Let's do it. Let's go.
Mike?
There it is. There's our tractor. Oh, but look. Come here. It has a hay spear on the front. So the cool thing about these tractors is you can swap in and out of the front end attachments. So we have hay spears, we have a hay grappler, and then we have the bucket that we need. So we gotta take this off and go get a bucket. You ready? You gonna help me take it off?
It's attached.
It's attached? Well, let's show them how we take it off. Come here. So what you do is these pins hold it in place. So if you take these off, just like that, you lower this and it comes off. And then we can get the bucket on. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's do it. All right, Hudson, drop the pin in. Good job. Yep, put that other one in and we're ready to go. I missed? Well, I got some of it.
But it's too big.
Whoa. Well, your tractor's full though. Oh, we're trying to clean up the little bit that we missed. But your tractor's pretty full. Ugh. Ugh. This stuff is heavy. This is why you use tractors. Ugh. There we go. Full to the top. You gonna try and drive it?
I want you to bring it.
Well, we're gonna go over there and fill the holes. Try and drive it. Hey, look.
Our duck.
There's our duck. Do you remember them from a few videos ago? There they are. They're nice and big now.
Why did they want to come?
Hi, duckies. They probably want some bread. Maybe we'll get some bread in a little bit and feed them.
And why are they coming next to us?
I don't know. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, duckies.
Hi, duckies. Give me my light. You're not going to fly. Hey. Hey. It looks... What will you do when this gets stuck?
right, drive it to the holes. Go. Uh-oh.
I'm stuck.
Here, try it again. I'll push you. You ready?
Uh-huh.
Go. Go. Go, go, go. You're stuck? Oh no, it's too heavy. Go. Oh,
I can't.
oh no. It's too heavy.
It's too much.
You gonna dump it out?
Uh-huh.
Here, let's dump it. Help me pull it. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wait.
Ah, there we go. That's better. I bet you can drive now. Try and drive now.
Now.
Think I can make it? Ah! Oh! Ah! Pile driver! Ah!
You fall down.
Ah! You got me.
Now you gotta get down there.
You ready?
Uh-huh.
Ah. We're out of here.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, like, subscribe. Watch more of Hudson's videos. Till next time. Bye.
Bye.